Hello， 大家好，我係 Coach， 歡迎嚟到教育無限。我有超過20年高等教育研究同埋教學嘅經驗。喺呢個頻道，我同你分享教育、心理學、語言學習同埋個人成長嘅議題，幫你做好準備，迎接未來嘅挑戰。如果你想掌握最實用、最有深度嘅教育同埋心理學資訊，記得訂閱，仲可以撳埋個鐘仔通知，咁就唔會錯過每一條新片啦。喺2024年2月尾，距離而家啱啱好1年啦。我係聽到一位喺英國嘅香港 KOL 好奇怪咁樣撈亂咗 present 同埋 present 兩個字，於是就挑起我條筋做咗2集嘅 homographs 啦。點知啱啱好1年啦，我喺上個星期呢又聽到同一位 KOL 又係讀錯咗呢一出嘅荷里活電影名，顯然佢唔係口誤，而係一個認知嘅盲點啦。所以希望同大家再一次分享1連2集嘅 homographs。OK， 去片。上星期呢，我就聽到其中一位 KOL 佢提及一出1994年 Harrison Ford 主演嘅電影，可能因為係直播一時口誤啦，咁佢就讀咗呢出戲名為 Clear and Present Danger。咁其實當然係 Clear and Present Danger， 解作一個明顯又有即時嘅危險。咁就係呢個小插曲咧，就挑起我條筋。其實我一直都好想製作一集關於 homograph 嘅，咁結果咧就我製作咗2集，今集係上集。點解叫做辣手單詞呢？ homographs 係一啲好奇怪嘅案例嚟嘅，佢哋表面上係一啲相同嘅字，因為佢串法 spelling 係一樣，但係意義同埋讀音上都唔同嘅。咁點去知道幾時讀邊個音呢？就係完全靠你對上文下理嘅理解啦。但係有可能你根本唔知道係2個字嚟嘅，咁就好容易出錯啦。我哋睇一睇第一對啦 ，bass bass bass 係魚嘅一種，其實係鱸魚。如果你睇一啲英文嘅 menu 咧，你好多時候都會見到 sea bass 嘅。He caught a large bass during his fishing trip。佢去釣魚之旅釣到條大鱸魚。The bass in this song is very strong。呢首歌嘅低音好強勁啊 ，bass bass。第二對係 bow 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 係鞠躬 ，bow 係一個蝴蝶結。The audience clapped as the musician took a bow。當音樂家鞠躬嘅時候，觀眾鼓掌。She tied a bow in her hair。佢喺頭髮度綁咗個蝴蝶結。bow bow。compact compact compact 係好細小 compact 係壓實去。She lives in a compact studio apartment。佢住一間好細小嘅納米樓裏邊。You need to compact the soil in the pot before planting。種植嘅時候你需要將盆內邊嘅土壤壓實。compact compact conduct 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 係行為表現啦。The students' conduct in the class was exemplary。學生喺課堂上面嘅行為表現咧好出色。She will conduct the orchestra tonight。佢今晚將會指揮樂團。Conduct conduct conflict 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 係一個衝突。conflict 就係有唔相同嘅意見。The conflict between the two countries escalated quickly。呢2個國家之間嘅衝突咧迅速攀升。The two jobs conflict with each other, making his schedule very challenging。佢2份工作嘅時間咧有衝突啊，令佢嘅行程安排好困難。Contest contest contest 係比賽 ，contest 係挑戰意義。She won the essay contest。佢贏咗徵文比賽。He decided to contest the court's decision。佢決定對法院嘅決定提出異議。Contract contract contract 係合約 ，contract 收縮。She signed a new contract with the company。佢同公司簽咗新合約。Metals contract as they cool。金屬冷卻嘅時候會收縮。Contract contract contrast 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 係分別 ，contrast 係對比。The contrast between light and shadow was striking。光與影之間嘅對比呢係驚人嘅。Contrast her early work with her later pieces。將佢早期嘅作品呢同後期嘅作品進行對比。Contrast, contrast。Converse, converse。Converse 就係對話傾談。Converse 係相反嘅。They would often converse for hours about various subjects。佢哋經常就各種嘅話題咧傾偈傾咗幾個小時㗎。The converse argument is also compelling in its own right。相反嘅論點咧，其實佢哋本身都會好引人注目嘅。Converse, converse。Convert, convert。Convert 係轉變 ，convert 係一個信徒。She converted the study into a third bedroom。佢將個書房改成咗第三間睡房。He is a convert to Buddhism after studying many philosophies。佢學習咗好多唔同嘅哲學之後呢，皈依咗佛教，或者係成為佛教嘅信徒啦。Convert, convert。Convict, convict。Convict 係罪犯 ，convict 被定罪。The convict was released on parole。嗰個罪犯呢獲得假釋。The jury will convict the defendant on solid evidence。個陪審團將會根據一啲好確鑿嘅證據對被告定罪。Convict, convict。Console, console。Console 係安慰。Console 係控制器。He consoled his friend after the loss。佢安慰咗痛失之後嘅朋友。The game console was her favorite birthday present。佢最中意嘅生日禮物呢，就係嗰副遊戲機啦。Console, console。Content, content。Content 係好滿足 ，content 係內容。She felt content after the hearty meal。佢食咗好豐富嘅一餐之後呢，覺得好滿足。The content of the lecture was very interesting。講座嘅內容非常有趣。Content, content。Desert, desert。Desert 係遺棄 ，desert 係沙漠。You must not desert your friends in times of need。喺你朋友需要嘅時候，你唔可以拋棄佢哋㗎。Sahara is a vast desert。撒哈拉係一個好大嘅沙漠。Desert, desert。Digest, digest。digest 係消化啦 ，digest 係一啲文集。It takes time to digest a large meal。消化一餐好大餐嘅咧係需要時間嘅。She read a digest of the week's news。佢讀咗本週嘅新聞摘要。曾經有一本1922年創刊嘅雜誌咧，叫做 Reader's Digest， 就係讀者文摘。Digest, digest。Dose, does。Dose 係雌性嘅鹿 ，does 係第三身嘅 s。A group of does grazed in the field。一群雌鹿喺田野嗰度食草。She does her homework in the evening。佢晚上做功課。Does, does。Entrance, entrance。Entrance 係入口啦 ，entrance 係吸引着迷。The main entrance to the building is on the left。大樓嘅正門喺左手邊。The magician's performance will entrance the audience。魔術師嘅表演會讓觀眾着迷。Entrance, entrance。Impact, impact。兩個都係解作影響，但係 impact 係 noun 名詞 ，impact 係 verb 動詞。The environmental impact of plastic waste is a growing concern。塑膠廢料對環境嘅影響日益引起人嘅關注。The recession impact small businesses the most。經濟衰退對於小企業嘅影響最大。Incense, incense。Incense 係一啲香 ，incense 就係令到人憤怒嘅。 The aroma of burning incense filled the room. 嗰個房裏邊咧充滿咗燒嘅香味。She was incensed by the unfair accusation. 佢對呢種唔公平嘅指控感到憤怒。Intern 係拘留 ，intern 係實習生。During the war, enemy aliens were interned for national security. 戰爭期間，敵方嘅外國人呢，因為國家安全嘅緣故被拘留。She worked as an intern at the law firm over the summer. 佢整個夏天呢都喺律師樓嗰度做見習生。Intern Invalid 係無效 ，invalid 係一個老弱嘅人。The argument was invalid because it was based on incorrect facts. 嗰個論點咧係冇效嘅，因為佢基於一啲唔正確嘅事實。The old invalid required constant care. 老弱嘅人係需要不斷嘅照顧。Invalid Lead 係領導 ，led 係員。She will lead the project to success. 佢會帶領呢個計劃取得成功。They found lead in the old pipes. 佢哋喺啲舊嘅喉管之中發現咗鉛。Lead led。多謝你收睇。如果你覺得今日嘅內容有幫助，記得點讚、訂閱，仲可以撳埋通知，咁就唔會錯過未來嘅精彩內容啦。如果你對教育或者學習有咩想法，歡迎喺留言區分享，我會喺未來嘅影片解答你最關心嘅問題。我哋下條片見啦，拜拜。